The Canon EOS 2000D bundle kit is an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned photographers, offering a versatile set of features and accessories. This kit includes two high-quality lenses, the EFS 18-55mm and EF 75-300mm, which provide a broad range of focal lengths for various shooting scenarios. With a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and the DIGIC 4 Plus image processor, the camera delivers outstanding image quality and performance even in low light conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi with NFC allows for easy sharing of photos and videos, as well as remote control capabilities through a smartphone or tablet. The bundle also comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including a SanDisk 64GB memory card, tripod, and a durable carrying case, making it a complete package for any photography enthusiast. Professionally inspected and refurbished, this product meets high standards of quality and reliability, ensuring a like-new experience for users.